Welcome back to another Tequila Tuesday with Doug and Annette Marble. Today we're going to try the Codigo 1530. It's an unaged tequila that is the most natural form made. This tequila is a private recipe brought to you from a market from a small group of families in Mexico.
Codigo 1530 proudly bears a Jerusalem cross as a symbol of the heritage. The cross sits atop the Jalisco coat of arms and dates back to 1530.
And that's where they get their name. You want to give it a try?
Let's try it.
Sounds good. Codigo 1530.
It's kind of rough, a little bit woody, a little fruity, I guess. It's not very smooth.
It's
though.
very alcohol-y. It's really burning my teeth and my gums and my tongue. I guess it is natural. It must have a lot of citrus in it because it's really burning me.
It's not bad. I guess we're going to go to the 1 to 10 rating scale now to give it a little more depth. I'm going to give that like a 3.
I'm at a 2. Not a fan. Not a fan.
Not bad.
Bye now.